Welcome back to Spy Garage.
The 2026 Mercedes-Benz Caravan Motorhome is a clever development in the luxury recreational vehicle market that skillfully combines the demands of mobile living with the brand's well-known engineering competence. This motorhome is expected to provide a seamless fusion of driving dynamics, technological innovation, and luxurious luxury, appealing to discriminating travelers who desire both adventure and refinement. It is built atop a Mercedes-Benz chassis that has been carefully developed. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz Caravan Motorhome's exterior is anticipated to have a modern look with crisp lines, aerodynamic efficiency, and the understated yet distinctive elegance that is associated with the Mercedes-Benz name. A unified and high-end aesthetic appeal is probably enhanced by flush-mounted windows, integrated lighting systems, and well-thought-out storage options. Durability and weight reduction will be given top priority in the vehicle's construction, guaranteeing a steady and effective ride. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz Caravan campervan will surely have a strong and streamlined drivetrain underneath its elegant exterior, most likely utilizing the most recent Mercedes-Benz diesel engines. With the help of sophisticated transmission systems that guarantee quick and seamless handling, these engines are expected to provide a balance between strong performance and fuel economy. Additionally, integrating Mercedes-Benz state-of-the-art driver assistance systems, like adaptive cruise control, lane-keeping assistance, and advanced brake technologies, will put safety and convenience of use first on lengthy trips. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz Caravan Motorhome's interior will best showcase how luxury and functionality can coexist. Anticipate a finely designed living area with premium components, such as exquisite leathers, superior cabinetry, and ambient lighting. A well-appointed kitchenette with contemporary equipment, a cozy sleeping area with fine bedding, and a well-thought-out bathroom with high-end fixtures are all possible features of the layout, which is probably cleverly planned to optimize both space and functionality. A key component of the interior experience will be the incorporation of technology. Expect a full-featured infotainment system with smooth connectivity, easy-to-use controls for car operations, and perhaps even the ability to integrate with smart homes. The living space will be even more comfortable and convenient with high-resolution screens, top-notch music systems, and sophisticated climate management. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz Caravan Motorhome is essentially positioned to be more than just a vehicle. It is intended to be a mobile haven that personifies the brand's dedication to quality. This motorhome is anticipated to provide a sophisticated and unmatched travel experience for individuals who value the finer things in both the trip and the destination by skillfully fusing Mercedes-Benz engineering legacy with the requirements of opulent mobile living. Its introduction is expected to establish a new standard for high-end motorhomes, attracting buyers who appreciate performance, elegance, and unwavering comfort when traveling.